Have you ever wanted to download Netflix on your MacBook only to realize there is no official app? Alright, since it's actually impossible to download the official Netflix app on Mac, here is a clever workaround. Open your browser and go to netflix.com. Click on the tab, grab the URL and drag it to your desktop or any folder to create a shortcut. Go to macosicons.com and type Netflix in the search bar to find an icon you like. Click on the icon you like and download it to your computer. Next, we are going to replace the shortcut icon with the one you just downloaded. Command click or right click on the Netflix shortcut and choose Get Info. Now go to the downloads and drag the nicer icon into the top left corner of the info menu to replace the shortcut icon. You can also rename the shortcut to just Netflix instead of having a long name or URL as its name. Now, for the final touch, adding it to your dock. Drag the new Netflix shortcut to your dock, place it on the right side of the separator besides the trash. And there you go. Now when you click on this icon, Netflix will open in your default browser, looking just like a native app. Plus, you can do this with other sites like Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.